I am your fitness friend Rashmi Raghuvanshi, and today we are going to do a quick warm up of 5 to 8 minutes, because as I always tell you that warm up and cool down is a very important part of your fitness regime. वर्कआउट करने से पहले वार्म अप बहुत ज़रूरी है और वर्कआउट के बाद स्ट्रेचिंग भी बहुत ज़रूरी है टू अवॉइड एनी काइंड ऑफ इंजरी. अगर आप इंजर्ड नहीं होना चाहते तो आपको वार्म अप और कूल डाउन जरूर करना चाहिए. आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कैसे वार्म अप करना है. दिस इज़ अ वार्म अप विच यू कैन डू बिफोर एनी काइंड ऑफ वर्कआउट. कोई भी वर्कआउट आप करने वाले, इफ़ यू वांट टू डू वर्कआउट फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक बॉडी पार्ट, like if you're working on a specific body part, then you can stretch or warm up that body part especially for a few more seconds. But this is a warm up for the full body which you can do before any workout. तो मैं अब आपको पूरा full body workout, पूरा full body warm up बताने वाली हूँ. वार्म अप आप डायनेमिक स्ट्रेचिंग भी वार्म अप का पार्ट होता है, जिसमें हम स्ट्रेचिंग करते हैं मूवमेंट के साथ, और क्विक स्मॉल कार्डियो इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ वार्म अप ओनली. तो मैं आज आपको दोनों कंबाइन कर रही हूँ. वार्म अप करूँगी कार्डियो फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड्स एंड देन डायनेमिक स्ट्रेचेस. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. वी आर गोइंग टू डू स्किपिंग्स, देन जंपिंग जैक्स, then high knees and butt kicks. So let's start with the 15 seconds of skipping. Now 15 seconds jumping jack. Now butt kicks. If you're a beginner, if you want to avoid any kind of hopping and jumping, you can kick your butts like this. So this cardio warm up will elevate your heart rate. It will prepare your body for the workout, especially if you are going to start a high intensity workout. It's very important. Now the last one is high knees. In this also, if you want to avoid the jump, you can go up, knee up, just simple knee up. 10 more seconds to go. Okay, now you have to repeat the same one more time to warm up your full body completely. So again, let's start with 15 seconds of skipping. Okay, now jumping jacks. Okay, now butt kicks. Okay, now high knees. Okay, shake it off. Now we are moving to the dynamic stretches. As I told you that dynamic stretching is also part of your warm up. Dynamic stretching is when you stretch your body while moving it. So try to cross your arms in the front of your chest. We are trying to warm up our upper body. Keep doing 5 more times. Cross your right arm above the left and left above the right. and relax. Shake your arms. Okay, now extend your arms to your side. Arms को अपने side में ऐसे extend कीजिए and you have to make small circle, छोटे छोटे circle. 10 times. Strong arms. Now big circle 10 times. We are warming up our upper body. Upper body का warm up कर रहे हैं हम. Now same other side, anti-clockwise. Other side, small circle, strong arms. Now big circle, strong arms. Okay, now next is open your legs. Legs को खोलिए. Extend your arms and touch your opposite toes. So cross body toe touch कहते हैं इसको. You have to do it 5 more times. Turn, look up towards the ceiling, straight. And relax. Okay, now come in low lunge position. Open your legs. Go deep. Low lunge position. Stretch. Now place your palm on the floor. Both the palm on the floor. Spine straight. Okay, now stretch your inner arms. The arm which is closer to your foot, bring it up. Again down and up. Do it for 5 times. 3 more times. 2. 1 last. And come in plank position. Now switch to other side. Lunge. Both the arms inside. Now the arm which is inside will go up, down. आर्म जो आपके लेग्स से पास है, जो इनसाइड आर्म है, वही ऊपर जाएगा. लुक अप टुवर्ड्स द सीलिंग. डू इट फॉर 5 टाइम्स. स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. ओपन अप योर चेस्ट. 1 लास्ट टाइम. नाउ कम इन प्लैंक पोजिशन. Hold it there for few seconds. Okay, now come in downward dog position. Closer, downward dog, and bend your legs. Now roll back, relax, go up, shake your arms, legs. Now give me 5 squats. 4 more. Last 3. 2 more. 1 last. Okay, shake your legs. Now open your legs. Toe pointing corner to corner. Distance between your legs should be more than shoulder width apart. Go down. Stretch your inner thighs. Stretch. Go other side. Now stretch your shoulder. Left. Other side. Press your palm to the floor. Legs together. Up. Breathe in from your nose. Breathe out from your mouth. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. And your body is ready for any kind of workout. So let's start our workout and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.